Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are stepping inside an extraordinary £6 million Essex mansion with a stunning swimming pool. And this property tour is all about refined British luxury, grand proportions, and resort-style living right at home. From the very first moment, the private gates begin to open, and the sweeping driveway reveals itself. You immediately feel the scale and exclusivity of this estate, surrounded by mature trees, manicured hedges, and beautifully landscaped grounds that create a sense of privacy and prestige. The facade is a perfect blend of timeless architecture and modern elegance, featuring symmetrical design, expansive windows, refined stone detailing, and subtle exterior lighting that gives the home a warm glow as evening approaches. As we walk toward the grand entrance, the double-height doorway sets the tone for what awaits inside, and stepping through those doors feels like entering a five-star private residence designed for both impressive, entertaining, and comfortable family living. The entrance hall is breathtaking, with soaring ceilings, polished marble flooring, and a sweeping staircase that curves gracefully to the upper level, acting as a dramatic focal point, while natural light pours in from above through skylights and oversized windows, making the entire space feel open, airy, and incredibly welcoming. To one side, the formal living room offers a sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere, complete with plush seating, a statement fireplace, and floor-to-ceiling glass doors that open directly onto the rear terrace, allowing indoor and outdoor living to merge seamlessly during warmer months. This is the kind of space where you can host elegant gatherings, celebrate special occasions, or simply unwind in comfort while enjoying views across the landscaped gardens. On the opposite side of the hallway, a private study provides a peaceful retreat for work or reading, fitted with bespoke shelving and large windows that overlook the front grounds, creating a calm and productive environment away from the main living areas. Moving further into the heart of the home, we arrive at the spectacular open-plan kitchen and dining space, which truly serves as the social hub of the property. The kitchen is designed with both beauty and functionality in mind, featuring sleek cabinetry, premium stone countertops, a generous central island with breakfast seating, and high-end integrated appliances that maintain clean, uninterrupted lines throughout the design. The dining area sits beneath statement lighting and is framed by panoramic sliding glass doors that open fully onto the terrace, making it effortless to host summer dinners that flow out toward the pool and gardens. Adjacent to the kitchen, there is an additional family lounge area, more relaxed in tone yet equally refined, offering the perfect setting for everyday living, movie nights, or casual mornings with coffee while looking out over the water feature and lawn beyond. As we continue exploring the ground floor, we also discover a dedicated entertainment suite, including a bespoke bar area and games room that elevate this mansion into a true lifestyle residence. Whether hosting cocktail evenings with friends or enjoying a quiet drink at the end of the day, this space adds another dimension to the home's versatility. There is also a state-of-the-art home cinema, complete with tiered seating, ambient lighting, and immersive audiovisual technology, delivering a private theater experience without ever needing to leave the property. For those focused on health and wellness, a fully equipped gym and fitness room ensures daily routines can be maintained in total privacy, with space for cardio equipment, weights, and even yoga or Pilates sessions. Heading upstairs via the grand staircase, the sense of scale continues as we reach the principal bedroom suite, which feels more like a luxury hotel penthouse than a standard bedroom. This expansive retreat includes a generous sleeping area, a private sitting space, and large windows offering serene views across the estate grounds. The walk-in dressing room is beautifully fitted with bespoke cabinetry and carefully designed storage, leading through to a spa-inspired ensuite bathroom that features a freestanding soaking tub, a spacious rainfall shower, dual vanities finished in natural stone, and elegant lighting that creates a calming atmosphere perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. The additional bedrooms on this level are equally impressive, each offering an suite bathrooms, fitted wardrobes, and ample proportions to ensure family members or guests experience the same level of comfort and privacy as the primary suite. Every detail throughout the upper floor has been thoughtfully considered, from the plush carpeting underfoot to the refined finishes and balanced color palette that maintains a cohesive sense of luxury throughout the home. Now let's step outside, because this is where the property truly transforms into a private resort. As we walk through the sliding glass doors from the main living area, we emerge onto an expansive stone terrace that overlooks the beautifully landscaped rear garden. At the center of this outdoor oasis lies the show-stopping heated swimming pool, perfectly positioned to capture sunlight throughout the day and surrounded by elegant paving and sun loungers that create the ultimate relaxation zone. The pool area feels like a boutique hotel retreat, especially in the evening when integrated lighting reflects off the water and the surrounding garden illumination enhances the ambience. Adjacent to the pool, there is a covered outdoor kitchen and dining pavilion, complete with built-in barbecue facilities and generous seating, making al fresco entertaining effortless and enjoyable all year round. The lawn stretches beyond, offering plenty of space for children to play, for hosting garden parties, or simply enjoying the tranquility of your own private grounds. Mature trees and strategic landscaping ensure that privacy is maintained at all times, creating a peaceful sanctuary away from the outside world. In addition to its beauty, the home is equipped with advanced smart technology, allowing lighting, climate control, security, and entertainment systems to be managed seamlessly, ensuring comfort and efficiency throughout the seasons. Energy, efficient glazing, and modern heating systems further enhance the property's practicality, proving that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand. The garage facilities are equally impressive, providing ample secure parking for multiple vehicles while maintaining the elegant aesthetic of the estate. What makes this £6 million Essex mansion truly special is the balance it achieves between grandeur and livability. Despite its scale, it feels warm, inviting, and perfectly suited to both large-scale, entertaining, and intimate family life. Every room flows effortlessly into the next. Every window frames a carefully curated view, and every finish reflects quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. This is more than just a house, it is a lifestyle statement, offering space, privacy, sophistication, and resort-style amenities all within a beautifully connected location. Imagine mornings spent enjoying coffee on the terrace overlooking the pool, afternoons hosting friends for garden lunches, evenings relaxing in the cinema room, and weekends filled with laughter echoing across the lawn. That is the experience this estate delivers. If you enjoyed or were inspired by this video, make sure to follow my channel for more incredible luxury property tours just like this one.